Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm the guy who's going to help you acquire your Sunreef Power Catamaran at the lowest price you possibly can by sharing with you some important numbers and the tips and trips that the salesmen never want you to know. The first number you need to know when buying any Sunreef Power Catamaran is 7.5. 7.5 is the amount of months that a typical Sunreef Power Catamaran spends listed for sale on the market. You're going to know if you're approaching this point or beyond that a seller and a listing broker are going to be more inclined to strike a deal than earlier on. The listing broker is going to feel the heat they're in jeopardy of losing their listing to a competing brokerage. The seller is then going to be seeing other Sunreef Power Catamarans selling and know that the potential return is going to be decreasing with every forthcoming sale. The second number you need to know is 8.98. 8.98 is how much a Sunreef Power Cat typically sells below its listed value. Of course, this is going to be higher and lower based on the particular model you're looking at acquiring, the age, and there's a number of factors that we can get more specific with, but this is a good benchmark for you to just punch right off the listed value of the Sunreef Power Cat you're looking at right now. And the third number you're going to want to know is the most important number you can know when buying any yacht anywhere in the world is the recent sale price of the Sunreef you're interested in buying. Now, the salesman doesn't want you to know this number, the seller probably doesn't know this number, but this is what actual real life Sunreef buyers have paid for theirs. Oftentimes this number is artificially inflated to beef up commissions or to maximize value to sellers, and the buyer kind of gets the short end of the stick. So to put a real life example into play, there's a 2017 Sunreef 68 Supreme Power Cat that sold for 3.4, but on the market there's a 2016 asking 3.6. So effectively, a smart buyer of a Sunreef Power Cat is going to establish a new ceiling in their negotiation instead of negotiating based off of the inflated list price. I absolutely love Sunreef Power Cats. I'm not a Sunreef Power Cat salesman, but at the end of the day, I would love the opportunity to work with you to make sure we buy your Sunreef Power Cat at the lowest possible price so you can have more fun on board with your family and friends and keep some of that money in your pocket. So again, I'm Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter of theyachthunter.com. It would be doing me a huge favor if you liked this video and filled out the form to get the information and data that you need to acquire your Sunreef yacht for less. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy yachting, my friend.